Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy a moon lamp on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly from China and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will just go to a TEMU and I will likely search for moon lamp. Okay. So here we can see. So I will just go with these ones. Okay, this is only beautiful. So this product will cost you around $72 on Amazon, but here you are just paying 11.51 and hence you are saving 84%. So here we can see, so it will be looking like this. Okay, moon lamp. So to here we can see some reviews also. Okay, so here we can see the details. So it is made of the plastic and it is powered by USB and its operating volt is 36 volt, and the battery property is without battery, and here we can see the globe will look like something like this. Okay, which comes with a RGB remote. Another we can see. So to buy, you will just click on add to cart button and then click on buy button and then follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a moon lamp on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.